Mission Lane Card Activation. Problems usually happen because the card information does not match, the account setup is incomplete, or the activation process is interrupted. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot a Mission Lane card that will not activate, and the steps to take if the issue continues. Start by checking that you are entering the correct Mission Lane card details during activation. The card number, expiration date, and security information must match the card you receive. Use the official Mission Lane activation process and carefully review each detail before submitting. A small mistake in the information you enter can stop the activation from completing. If your card details are correct, check your Mission Lane account. Activation may fail if there are account steps that still need to be completed. Open your Mission Lane account and look for any alerts, messages, or requests for additional information. Complete any required steps before trying activation again. If you received a replacement Mission Lane card, confirm that you are activating the new card instead of an older one. Previous card details may not work after a replacement has been issued. If you are activating through a website or app and the page is not working, try restarting the process. Close the app or browser, reopen it, and attempt activation again. Check that your app is updated if you are using the Mission Lane mobile app. An outdated app version can cause features to load incorrectly. A weak internet connection can also interrupt activation. Make sure your device has a stable connection before submitting your information. If the card still will not activate after checking your details and account, contact Mission Lane support through official channels. Explain what happens during activation and provide the exact error message if one appears. Tell support whether the problem happens when entering your card information, submitting activation, or after the process appears complete. This helps narrow down the cause. Avoid entering incorrect card details repeatedly, because the same information error will continue blocking activation. The main fixes are checking your card information, completing any missing account steps, retrying the official activation process, and contacting Mission Lane support if the issue remains. To recap, a Mission Lane card that will not activate is usually connected to incorrect details, unfinished account setup, or a technical problem. Verify your information, check your account, and follow the official support process when needed. Your next step is to restart the activation process and carefully review each detail before submitting. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.